Kimberly is in the fucking building. Thanks for joining the live. Ishopo, like and share. Thank you very much. Moyo, like and share. Especially you. I'm not saying your like, oh, Moyo. So the first step is I'm about to boil the chicken. I want to boil the chicken first. That's what you do first. You boil your chicken before the other process. Do you get? So I'm about to on the stove. So
this one will last, but this one's supposed to last 20 minutes. We are back.
So sorry for the how they used to speak the English. Sorry for the transmission. So I'm boiling my turkey right now. Ready. I'm about to. So I just boil some onions. First, you boil your turkey. I finish spicing the turkey. Now I'm boiling the turkey. So that's the first step. Boil your turkey. Then we're about to stir. Show you. I mean, I know see this chicken wag is here like this. After the show, at the party. Me, you know, suppose those guys are dey chop meat well well na. Omo. Hello, mother. We go wan try more time. So one minute talk, once you don boil finish, you go stir am out. So thanks for the love. Thanks for the love. Who's bombing me without love? Appreciate. So I guess our turkey is so I guess the turkey is so you guys can You guys can grab what's going on. So I'll let it talk cool down a little bit. So the chicken. It's going well. It's going well though. So the oil is hot. So that's the next thing is I guess I'm chill with this. Then I have to come to this. But we have to let it talk cool down a little bit. Many did otherwise. Mo kàn jáde mi bí àjẹbọ.
I love questions like, can I cook for
Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. You guys will like and share. Tap on your screen. I'm live. I'm trying to bring up certain people live, but I don't know how to do this. It's making my head go gra 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 gra. Confirm my G.
This internet is not smooth.
Okay.
I don't know if you understand.
Yeah. Sharing network on. Thanks for the like, Kabanachi, Ishopo, Miami.
I'm just hear that one just now. That means the network never stable.
Network go. Okay, tune in follow. I don't come online. Let's see, join the host.
Blessed, the switch was fast. If you just do your life now,
Okay, so I guess the Turkey has calmed down a little bit. So my mind just go to go chop one chicken right inside that place. How did they do this thing? Well, back to the. So it is time to bring out the lolly in the chicken. Now we'll boil the chicken. Now it's time to bring out the lolly in the chicken. So this is the. So this is the next step we're taking. Yeah, I guess I should wear my glove. Sorry. We don't have much time.
yes.
So
You're on live. Network is smooth.
So what's the next thing? Next thing now is I want to bring out the lolly in the chicken. Add my flour. Add my flour. and I have my cornflakes. Then my eggs. So for the mixing, so this is the first step we're gonna do. So this is my chicken. I see the way I take prep the chicken. Yes, for you to achieve what you want to do, you have to first prep the chicken. I should do that online, but no worry, gradually shall we'll get there. So you chop the head like this, then you chop the under for you to give it this bigger. So
I noticed say something with the side this follower do dey cover your face. I promote that and I just put it down.
so
Yeah, we need more character, more Lagos boy, more equal
let's
vibes,
go. Time to your first step.
more Oshamo vibes.
Abi, actually, that kind of thing. Maybe like Sha. So first step is I have to. Now see what I do. Rubber or still too. You can still go like this. Rubber for the egg. Let me take another one. So mama, we go buy this one like this. What I go do? No go invite person. Pikin go dey give am lolly chicken. Hey, no say no one marry am. Man, no deal. Me, I don't like wahala. Bad wahala. Man, no dey at all. So should I do four? Should I do four? Let me just do four. Let me just do four. Cause this chicken I dey see like this, oh more. Why should you not in the fucking building? I'm a yummy, real G. So I've done the first one. The other one I'm gonna do is you guys wanna know it's big head you say. Well, you guys will see, Sha. You guys will go on YouTube. We're also live on YouTube. So, to the flour, then I'll bring it here. I'll bring it here back. I'll bring it to the egg back. So follow up, series goes back to the egg again. Then you turn it. Oh, this thing is sweet too. I know it's in Wala. So you place with the cornflakes. Let me bring extra plates for this. So we'll be using extra plate for this. So it is. So how juicy it is. There's music in the background. Oh. You guys you love music. Don't forget the steps, so you can ask questions, write your comment, ask questions, ask how it goes. You guys, thanks for joining. Thanks for coming to the live show. Just type like and follow. Yep. Feel free to ask questions. Back to the egg. So you guys can see. Yeah. So I'm coming back here to the cornflakes. I'm sprinkling a little bit on it. Well, let me add more. So we're going to fry it. So once we fry it, we get the result. So I guess I'll just do 4 for now. So you see the result. Very creepy. I don't mind me. I know say the grind. I be say always keep a clean station, and me has always been part of me. You get. I don't say let me dey hear that kind of song, sha, but I go sing go speed, go change them. No, me, I know fit. So it's time to fry. Ouch! Oh, me, I know there's me, I budget, I be. So, we wait a while, we see the results. If you want to learn more about it, like, you'll be bringing up more lecture, more on different type of cook you can like, you can do at home with no stress, no, just enjoy what you're eating. So we should just give it a little time, little minutes to come out, see the result, and show it to you guys. So you guys can always come live, come join. So here's how it goes, and we always do everything with music. So now we have to check the results. Man, I swear to God, this is stupid. Hey. Oh, now we are. So let's give it like in the next 2 minutes. We'll bring it out. Then yeah, lolly chicken, cool vibe, cool chill. Always come to my page, come to my channel, come to the live show. We'll be doing different, more good time, invite. Yeah, yeah. So I guess it is time to bring it out. So I can show you guys the result. Woo! Shit is cooking. Woo! You guys can see the result and try your own shit. So Just have to pretend. Shit is real. So this is how it goes. Don't forget your method, your flowers, your egg mixture. I didn't even add salt. But then your boiled chicken. Then your mixture of spices to spice your chicken. So it's combination of this gives you this result. So you guys, thanks for joining. You guys should like, share, and follow. So I guess that's all for today. We're not doing much, but I need to still bite this shit. So so you guys know now. Oh, oh, oh. Mm, mm, mm. Keep conscious. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for like and share. We're coming up with different ones. Like we have different type. We have our native Nigerian, dish. We'll be doing that live also to show you guys how to do it, how to come up with it. You will be my when Sabi cook. Always watch the Chef T page, watch, like, learn, and follow. And don't forget this chill. So yeah.
Yeah, y'all wasting time. I'm on the side with it. This will give me dirty looks. Now they gonna shower with it. This is never there. Kiss it on my time when I'm
Hey, if, you're going to live now.
You know finish.
Yeah. Let's start with this one. Is it?
niggas know what it is. Uncle Shorts.
So thanks. Mama Laji, thank you for joining the show. Thank you all guys for joining the show. Thank you for liking and sharing. Always be part of something good. Come up with next live, next show. So thank you for today. We're about to end the live now, and I guess I need to just go and relax myself. Like there's other things to do. So it's just the result. Very true. So
My ear is so pretty, nothing goes to waste. It's the spark so sad, I don't think. I retain more than you think. That's really self-science. I'm so self-centered, that's so empathetic. You owe me to get it. Can't repair this relationship, you ruined your credit. Tired of blue time, pretty lady on the hands. I'm trying to get you up, but I'm dancing. On the same night, we see us in advance. You up there, advance. Yeah, like a bomb in the stash. Blow up the top, make it plain cash. Cushion for the man in the gas. Little touches. I make you last. Got motion, we make it last. Yeah, like a bomb in the stash. Blow up the top, make it plain cash. Cushion for the man in the gas. Man on the luggage. I make
Oh,
it
sir.
last. Got motion, we make it last. Started from the bottom, but you know that they on top in this. Fuck the growth, revenues, more about what the profit is. It's the definition of happiness. They know they watch their greatness and I make it please and not pretend. She do what I tell her, like playing the game, it's how I feel. But it's not about control. She follow my
Welcome to the store, Gina, Ola, Omo, Folake. Welcome. Thanks for joining the show. But I guess you guys have missed the show. But Kamanachi, calm down. You can still taste. Egg of the house. Calm down. The chicken's not running away. So I just want to end the live. I want to make you guys know I'm ending the live. I'm sweating. I need to end the live and hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Type like, share, and follow. Hey Chef TJ, thank you for joining the live. But you guys, you came late. Let's go end the live. Man. And people doesn't join. And what's time again? Go. Let my crowd very well.